Hey, Jazz.
Hi, Kate.
So the last time we were here, we talked about the architectural binders.
Yes.
So I know we do have a lot of other marketing tools here in the showroom. Some people have asked about them. So is it okay if we talk about them today?
Of course, definitely. We can get into two. The first one we can take a look at is what's called the Color Capsule collection. I'm sure you've seen it quite a bit in the showroom, right?
Beautiful.
So the first thing you'll notice is this nice hardcover binder, this cover here. Nice carrying case on this handle on the side to make it perfect for carrying. And these nice snap closures here. And you'll also notice that it's a little bit bigger than the architectural binders, right? But why it's bigger is because this carries 84 of our top selling products here at Firenzecolor.
It's a lot.
84 different finishes versus the 10 or combine those two binders, 20 finishes. This is having 84 combined. That's one nice handy place. So something you might notice too is they have tabs here on the front, sorted by metallics, oxidization, concrete, and minerals. So if you notice this beautiful page here, you see the samples. It starts off with Zeus, June, but look at the size of these samples.
Wow, I love what they did with these samples. They look like they're almost custom made, right?
They are, definitely. And unlike the binders that provide those color swatches in about 2 by 2 squares, the size of these samples take up, a nice 3/4, sometimes half of the page.
Wow.
So it's nicely presented, easily seen by you and your client. You'll see they have noted here the exact product that was used. Sometimes there's a few different ones, but they have exactly what they used to make each sample. Stenciling, it's brilliant.
Yeah, I did notice some colors in the bottom. So what are those for?
Yeah, so you'll see the colors here, these swatches are not necessarily the product that the sample has displayed, but it's giving you an idea of certain colors that the product can come in. So just a visual aid for you to see what it could look like on the wall. Yeah, a few color choices. So I'm glad you brought that out too, because that's another difference with the capsule collection compared to the binders. The binders, you're used to seeing the array of colors, swatches that each product can come in. This does not offer that full variety of colors. You're limited to about 3 on each page. However, again, you're getting 84 different finishes in this, one binder here.
I got it. So basically, I have to decide what's more important to me. Having more colors with the architectural binders, but only about 10 to 20 finishes. Compared to this, which has a few colors, but has 84 finishes. Right?
Exactly.
Got it.
Both are super beneficial.
Yeah. That's so awesome. That's awesome. Thank you for breaking this down for me.
Of course.
Jessica.
You're welcome. Not a problem.
So there's another one that you wanted to talk to me, the slim book right here.
Yes.
So can you tell me a little bit more about this one?
Of course. So this is called our Metallo Fuso Smart Box Kit.
Okay.
So if you notice when you open it, you'll have the Metallo Fuso catalog here, a nice slot, nice compartment to hold the catalog. And then you have along with it 6 different tile size samples of the Metallo Fuso displayed in the colors that it comes in. I believe it comes in bronze, copper, silver, zinc, and gold. So it has 6 tiles displayed very nicely here. And what I really love about this is this product is a little pricey.
Yeah.
Right? But so that prevents you from having to buy the material and the sample and doing your swatches, doing the sample. You already have it here, already made. And it's tiled, beautifully, professionally presented. So for the price, you can't beat it.
Yeah, I like that. I know we get a lot of compliments with Metallo Fuso right here in our backdrop.
We do. It is a statement piece. Look at it.
It's beautiful.
So as you mentioned, Kate, this wall always ask a lot of questions about it. It's definitely a statement piece. The Metallo Fuso makes a statement. You see that beautifully gold-plated mat that we have here in our showroom. A lot of pictures are always requested, and you can see why. It really is beautiful.
So thank you for explaining the capsule collection and the Metallo Fuso Smart Box. So how much do they go for?
Okay, so first for the capsule collection, this ideal marketing tool that we walk through again, showing 84 different finishes of our top selling products. This will run $280. Right? Yeah. So, but you're getting 84 different products all in one handy place, easily portable, and it's made to last. It's very durable. So the Metallo Fuso Smart Box Kit, that runs $125, which is a real bargain when you compare it to the price of the actual product, and considering you're getting 6 samples in all of the colors of the Metallo Fuso itself.
So that it's smart to get it, right?
Yeah, it is smart to get
No pun intended. So thank you so much, Jess. And I know in line with the Metallo Fuso, we have an advanced class or advanced classes coming up next month. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure. So a lot of people are familiar with the seminars that we hold about every 2 months or so in New York and Miami. But in the past few years, we haven't really focused on Metallo Fuso or our wall-to-floor products.
Yeah.
So the class that we have coming up, I believe it's February 7th in Miami and February 28th here in New York, is going to be focusing on both of these products. The Metallo Fuso that we have here and the wall-to-floor micro cement, the waterproof version. So a lot of people, we've been getting a lot of requests for a seminar on those two, and we've heard the requests and have hopefully answered them with these seminars. So we're looking forward to it.
A lot of exciting stuff happening at Firenze, right?
Exactly.
So thank you, Jess. Thank you so much for breaking everything down for me.
Of course.
Appreciate all your help.
Anytime. And persons can feel free to send us an email or give us a call if they would like to schedule a seat for those seminars, right? Limited seating, as opposed to the normal seminars we hold. But don't worry, if they reach out to us and it's fully booked, I'm sure later on in the year we'll have another seminar again featuring the wall-to-floor and Metallo Fuso products.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye.